Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to pin someone on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to pin someone on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to pin someone. And from this interface guys, in order to pin a person, we'll be required to go to the messaging section of our account. To do that, at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of icons. At the left side of the options there is the messaging or the text icon. Tap over there, and on this interface guys, in order to pin a chat, you'll be required to tap and hold on the chat on which you want to pin. And after that guys, you can see the chat and notification settings. Tap on over there, and over here you'll be able to see the pin conversation option. Tap on pin conversation, and you can see guys that person or conversation has been pinned on Snapchat. And this is how you pin someone on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.